The man who freed Iraq from kings was killed by the very forces he had defeated. It's 1958, Baghdad, Iraq. A young general named Abdul Karim Qasim overthrows the monarchy in a single night. He gives land to peasants, builds homes for the poor, and stands up to Western oil companies. He kicks Iraq out of Britain's Baghdad Pact and legalizes the Communist Party. The people love him. He controls Iraqi oil for Iraqis, not foreigners. For 4 years, he transforms the country. But his success terrifies Washington and London. The CIA begins plotting with a banned political party called the Ba'ath. They try poison, bombs, and shootouts. Each attempt fails, but they keep trying. Then in February 1963, Ba'athist officers strike at dawn. Tanks surround the palace as gunfire echoes through Baghdad. They capture him alive, torture him for hours, then execute the man who had given Iraq its freedom. The general who liberated his country from foreign control was Abdul Karim Qasim.